Hey guys, Strength Coach Friedman here, and welcome back to another episode of Strength and Conditioning for eSport athletes. Today's episode we will be talking about step 1 of a 4-step training session. So remember, training session should have 4 components. First would be soft tissue work, second would be movement preparation, third would be your gameplay or your strength and conditioning, and fourth would be your static stretching for recovery. Ideally, we want all 4 steps for a maximally effective training session. Today's soft tissue device is a type of roller. It's actually a small metal ball that can be used to massage onto the hands and other small parts of the body. So let's zoom in and take a look at how this works. Okay, so here's a close-up of this tool. It's a bit of an odd tool. It kind of looks decorative as well. I guess if you want to leave it on your desk near your computer, it looks like a little plant. But to use it, you just kind of pull the plant from the little fake pot, and inside you have this rolling metal ball. So you can take this ball, you grip by the handle, and you start to kind of roll over the hand and the different connective tissues. It's not a real hard pressing tool, right? It's more for a real gentle kind of massage. But this 360 ball kind of lets you really change the angle of where you're rolling from, right? You can really roll in a lot of different directions and do some things you can't with some of the larger roller devices. Now this device is also really great for the face. So I'll be doing a future video when we're talking about the muscles of the face and how those can sometimes get a little aggravated when you're gaming. You know, if you're a person that gets a little bit intense when you're gaming, you start to clench your jaw a little bit. You know, you don't always stay relaxed, and you know, it's sometimes common to get a little bit tensed up when you're playing certain games. So it's a great one to kind of work into the jaw, the muscles of the jaw. But this works really nicely on the hand as well. It's a nice gentle tool just for kind of moving through the tissues. It's not going to be one of your real hard press tools because it's so rounded. You're not going to really push specifically into like any real tight trigger points. But it's more for working that surface kind of tissue. It definitely feels pretty rejuvenating. Kind of just roll it over, get things stimulated. Pretty simple tool. I don't know if I would call this one a necessary tool. I think some of the other tools that I've shown in previous videos and plan to show in future videos are a little more effective and have more purpose, but this definitely is a nice little side one to have. And again, I think it's really great for the face. So when we talk about the face, this might be a good one to invest. And again, I think I got it for 2,000 won, which is about $2. Alright, so that's this little rollerball tool. Hope you found that helpful, and stay tuned for future videos on strength and conditioning for eSport athletes.